got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block, bitches on my line, and you know.
Hey, have you started working on the outline for our research project background section?
Not yet, but I think it's a good idea to get started. It sucks a crucial part of the paper.
Definitely. It sets the stage for our whole study. So let's brainstorm how to structure it. First, we should introduce the general topic. What do you think?
Agreed. We need to provide some context. How about we begin with a broad statement or a hook to grab the reader's attention?
Good point. A hook could be a compelling statistic, a thought provoking guessance, or even a relevant quote. Let's note that down as our starting point.
Next, we should transition into the specific area of our research. What's the current state of knowledge in that field?
Right, summarizing existing research is crucial. We should mention key students, key studies, and findings related to our topic. It shows that we've done our homework and set up the research gap nicely.
And speaking of the research gap, how about we dedicate a subsection to that? We can explicitly state that what hasn't been explored or what questions remain unanswered.
Excellent idea. The gap is the driving force behind our study. We should explain why it's important to fill it and what our study contributes.
I think we should also highlight the significance of our research in this section. Why does it matter? How could it impact the field or society as a whole?
True, we need to make a strong case for the relevance of our study. Maybe we can even touch on potential real world applications.
That sounds great. Let's add that to our outline. Now, what about the research question or hypothesis? When should we introduce that?
I think after we've clearly established that the gap and explained its significance, it will make more sense then.
Okay, let's add that as a substance, and we should also briefly mention the methodology we plan to use. It doesn't need to be detailed, just a brief overview.
Agreed. That gives readers a sense of how we'll tackle their research questions. So to recap, our outline looks like this. 1. Introduce. 2. Current state of knowledge. 3. Research gap. 4. Significance of the study. 5. Research questions or hypotheses. 6. Brief methodology overview.
Looks good to me. Now, let's start fleshing out each section with more details and references. We've got our roadmap. Let's make this background section shine.